Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows cannot access certain files over the network after upgrading your computer or updating it to the next version of Windows 10. And it says that Windows cannot access whatever file directory, and it says check the spelling of the name, otherwise there might be a problem with your network. To try to identify and resolve network problems, click diagnose, and you subsequently probably click diagnose and it doesn't find anything. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in services. Best result should come back with services listed right above app. So go ahead and left click on that. Locate the function discovery provider host service and double click on it. You want to set the startup type to automatic, and if service status is stopped, you want to go ahead and start it. And then select apply and OK. And then you also want to go ahead up a little bit and find the DNS client service and double click on that. Again, make sure that is automatic and running. One further thing we can go ahead and try here after you've restarted your computer and you're still having a problem would be to close out of here and open up the start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now, before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it's very simple. You just would left click on the File tab and then select Export. Export range, I would keep that at all. File name, normally I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Save it to a convenient location on your computer and then just select Save. And if you ever need to import it back in, it's very simple. You just would select File and then Import and navigate to wherever you saved that file to, and then that should be able to resolve the problem. So once you've done that, we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. So go double click on that. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Same thing for current control set. Double click on that. And there should be a services folder. Double click on that. And then there should be something that says DNS cache. DNS cache. Right here. And before you proceed, if you need to take note of our file path, it's up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different folder we've gone under up to this point. So now on the right side, you want to look for a value that says start. Go ahead and double click on that. Value data, set that to 2. So if it's anything other than the number 2, change it to 2. Base should be hexadecimal, and then make sure value data is 2. Select OK. Once you're done with that, you can close out of the registry editor. Would attempt to restart your computer, and then you may have to enter back in your network credentials, but other than that, you should be able to connect once again. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.